Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax but unsure what to expect? In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process, tips and aftercare to ensure a smooth, pain-free experience. Whether you're visiting a professional or doing it yourself, this video has you covered. A Brazilian wax removes hair from the bikini area front to back, leaving you completely smooth. Unlike a bikini wax, which only removes hair from the sides, a Brazilian wax offers a cleaner, longer-lasting result. Before waxing, make sure your hair is about 1/4 inch long for best results. Exfoliate the area a day before to remove dead skin and reduce ingrown hairs. Avoid lotions or oils on the day of waxing and take a pain reliever if you're worried about discomfort. Step 1. Heat the wax to a honey-like consistency. Test the temperature on your wrist. Step 2. Apply a thin layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Step 3. Place a wax strip over the wax and smooth it down. Step 4. Hold your skin taut and pull the strip quickly against the hair growth. Step 5. Repeat in sections until the area is clean. After waxing, your skin may be sensitive. Apply a soothing lotion or aloe vera gel to calm irritation. Avoid hot showers, tight clothing, and heavy exercise for 24 hours to prevent irritation. To keep your skin smooth, exfoliate twice a week and moisturize daily. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Waxing hair that's too short or too long, reapplying wax on the same spot multiple times. Skipping exfoliation will lead to ingrown hairs. Using wax that's too hot, causing burns, and that's it. With the right technique in aftercare, you'll enjoy smooth, long-lasting results. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and self-care tips.